friendly, right?
Right, because I'm gonna be in the back seat with it.
It didn't work no one time.
Just because he's trying to show off real quick. Hey y'all, welcome to day. What's today? The 4th? The 4th day of Vlogmas. I'm with my girl T, my dukes. We at the SPCA. We trying to get this dog for her. And yeah, y'all, we chilling. It's my fit for the day. Yes, yes, yes. I need to do it. Cause I ain't doing shit.
You're putting that on me, aren't you? That hurt you.
It's Vlogmas.
Let me get on the.
It's Vlogmas. Look, so that's what happens. This is cute.
Baby.
That's how I
Baby. My man bought them, period.
Okay. Can we go? Can we go straight in there? Oh, okay. Alright, but this is my outfit real quick. Okay, one more time. So this is from Target. This is from Forever 21. These are North Faces right here. These are TJ Maxx. This is Thrifted. This is Target. Okay, let's go look at those. Sad.
That one, this one, this one, but this is the one that
She's in. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, baby. It's a dog about to adopt. Hi, baby. I'm about to be in the back seat with you.
she good.
She is good. She's so nice. And it's a girl too, so they're, oh my god, yo, they're mad. 4 years old. Hey, babe. Hi, baby.
Chilling. That's what I need. I don't need
Yeah, for real though.
You know what I'm saying?
Do they tell you, like, oh, here's your story? Oh, baby, 4 years. Oreo took me. What is this? What the fuck is this? It's not even why the hell you here.
Right.
Why am I reading this? Like, what the hell?
Came to us as a garden surrender. Garden surrender. Which means they just want to
Well, you about to be surrendering to her house.
me.
Yes, you are. Baby. Hey, baby.
So baby is about 4 years old. She was here as a stray, and then she was adopted out, and then she was surrendered again.
Hey y'all, so I'm just quickly don't mind these dishes because I have to like wash them. But anyways, so I'm just making this salad, this very big salad for my lunch to go to work. And then also for Dimitri because maybe he's hungry, he probably is, I don't know. So right now I got carrots, I got green onion, mushrooms, tomatoes, avocado I'm gonna put in there, and just the leafy greens. Yeah, it's gonna be so delicious. I don't know if you guys do this yourself, but sometimes what I do is I just like put the bowl right here and I just do this. I'm pretty sure that that's actually like how you're supposed to do it if I'm not mistaken, but I might be wrong. I don't know. And then I also have some my alarm to like get up and ready because reared its ugly head around. Have you guys ever been working and you have the good luxury of like when you're working you can listen to music at the same time? So I'll be listening to Missy Elliott's from the 1997 album, Big 901, all that good shit. And I swear to you, because I know a lot of the words to it, I don't know. Like, I'll be just singing the fuck out that song, I'll be singing the hell out that song. And I be thinking, like, people are, like, listening to me. A really great album that's been inspiring me as well. The full-fledged album, like, it makes me want to watch the whole movie. It's The Grinch by Tyler, the Creator. Oh my gosh, that shit is amazing. That shit is really amazing. I love it. I really, really do. That's been really good. Like, I've been wanting to watch The Grinch, honestly, just because it's that season as well. But because, like, I've been listening to that album so much. Like, so much, you know? I know you guys are probably just like, oh my god, there's so much stuff. And personally, I feel like there's just a lot of stuff in a salad. As long as it's all pretty good and yummy all together, it should have like a good. You know, I'm one of those people that eat olives, but it should have like a good taste to it. Good substance. Enough. So I'm going to take this and I'm just gonna add a good heaping of pepper, because you gotta season the whole, you gotta realize how much stuff I put in it, you know. And then take some salt. You don't have to take that much, honestly, because most of the time the salad dressing has a lot of salt, but it doesn't have that much pepper into it. And then sometimes I take red pepper flakes, put some in there, and then just a little bit of onion flakes. See, that's what it looks like. Look how much stuff is in there. That's not even eggs yet. You guys, like, this is so delicious. They're so delicious. Oh my gosh. So I'm at work right now, guys, and I'm about to start working. I'm on my aisle. I gotta stock all this stuff, and yeah. So I finished my salad too. It looks so good. I made a big one for Dimitri as well. Got some small little snacks and groceries, and I'm about to be on my way to start working. I'm gonna put 4 and 5 together because it was a lot today, but I did not vlog a lot. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey, I got a question. Where's your advent calendars?
So if we have any, they're going to be back up at the front by one spot where the self-checkout is.
Oh, right there by the dollar?
So yes. So if we have any left, they're going to be over there.
Yes.
Hang on.
Okay.
Hang on. Hang on.
Yo.
Okay, that was not really shocked. I think I read this past this morning.
How much is this?
I think that, I don't know if that's the last one.
$2.99. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Thank you, man. Hello. Should be that. So cute. Literally so cute. So good morning, guys. It is December 5th. I'm in Target early in the morning because I just got off of work because I need to find an advent calendar. I found one right here. She just found one for me. But it's $2.99 and I don't know if the world market would have it for cheaper or not. So I'm kind of like, meh, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause I don't know. But I do know how the world market is, and like last year, that's where I got my advent calendar. You know, I'm already like 5 days in it, so I don't know, guys. But I love these little glasses right here. I've been seeing it everywhere, and they have like different ones. They have these Harry Potter ones, which I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, so you know. So cool. Other leaves. So I'm looking at this. Have you guys ever went to Target and just started looking at like clearance stuff and you're just like, oh my fucking god. I'm like, do you really need it? What's the cookie jar? Ah, so cute. I do not think it's on clearance. It's not. I gotta use the restroom so bad, but I'm nervous because I don't know if they have an advent calendar. So I'm gonna just like, I'm gonna do the regular, you know, thing to do in Target and TJ Maxx. You hide the item and then you come back. Cause you just don't know if it's on clearance. Like, not clearance, but you don't know if you're gonna see it again. So, you know, I guess you tried your best to hide it. Oh guys, I do not see this shit. Like honestly, I was expecting them to have like way more advent calendars, but they don't. Which then again, it's like I came here kind of late, so you know, can I really get mad? You know? I don't know, guys. I just really want one. I know I want to like change my bedspread to like more Christmassy, so I don't know if it's like I should put like throw pillows or what. Funny too, because I have to use the restroom so bad, and I have to go to the DMV because I lost my Langley card, and then I lost my ID card too. So now I gotta go back to the DMV, and I have yet to sleep because I just got off of work. I didn't know that shit. So I'll see you guys like later because I gotta do this shit. And I gotta go pee so bad. So peace. Okay, so I just came into the World Market because I need to find the advent calendar. I've still yet to find it. I've still yet to go to sleep. So I'm literally running off of food and no sleep and just trying to get motivated to find this advent calendar because I have yet to find it. I don't know why I haven't got to find it yet. Oh, they have this too. I saw this is on Urban Outfitters. That's so funny to see right here. Spiral notebook. That's so cool. They have sushi too. Avocado notebook. Oh, it's so cool. But anyways, yeah. So I have not been able to find that. So I'm in here trying to find that. That's basically the update. Yeah. But I really don't know. I don't know where. I really don't know where to look, honestly. Well, of course I know where to look. I gotta look in the middle, you know, obviously. No. Oh, this is so cute. This is no matter how you spin it, you're solid gold. Haha. Let's do it. That's pretty good. $3.95. Another year of spectacular. Haha. They have just the coolest little things here. That's what That's cute. going back to actually finding what I need to look for here. I love these gift bags, I really do. Let me go to the restroom because honestly I can't even focus but I still gotta go use the restroom. It's like you find like cool stuff like this, but you don't know what to find. Oh, this is a robe. That's why it was so soft. I thought this was a blanket version. It's not. I can't even use it. I literally live in my other robe. Like, why do I need another robe to live in? I don't know. It's cute. Oh, yeah, these fake cactus plants. They got fake cactus plants. But I can't see how much they are. I was hungry, haha. That's so me right there. Sorry for what I said. I just found my advent calendar. I'm definitely gonna get this. So cute. Oh my gosh. For people who only like the strawberry ones, here's a whole box full of them. That is so cool. That is so cool. Like, it's like when it's open, guys, and it has.
There's number 1.
Yeah. So go ahead. You can open that since you already got it.
Can't. All I see is number 1. I can't. Yeah.
Oh. Oh snap! Do they want us to hang it up here? Or like, that's cute.
It's his letter.
Wow, that's so cute. That's really cute.
So you hang it wherever you want.
Oh, got you. Okay, so that's number 1. Yeah, which, guys, honestly, he does not tell, like, he'll tell you where you're at, but if you don't want to be in a certain place, you don't have to be. You can choose your spot. You can definitely choose your spot. People don't know that. I didn't know that until, like, you told me that day, honestly. That's cool, Mom. That is really cool. Hey y'all, so it's like 3:16 p.m. I just woke up. I'm gonna go back to sleep. I got to I got marinate some meat and finish this vlog. Or at least do most of it, you know? Okay, so we are headed off to Target. And because I saw this advent calendar and I really wanted to get it, but I ended up not getting it. So I hid it. You saw the footage. I hid the advent calendar. That is what we're about to get right now. person is carrying the balloon, so I didn't notice that. But yeah, oh, and the moon's out too. Can't wait to show you my outfit too. It's okay. I was editing the video and I'm like, what happened to the dog footage or whatnot? But then I realized that it's the same day. I never put it in the video yet. Like, holy smokes, look at the sky and this man's license plate. It's like, is that legal? Or no, I don't think it is. Oh no. Ooh. He got the big truck. What's your fit?
Hi guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, okay. Do a quick outfit check. This is my blazer. This is Ralph Lauren. My shirt is from Zoomies. My pants are from Pretty Little Thing. My boots are from TJ Maxx. And then my bag is another Ralph Lauren. I should have this on. This is like this. Really quick, how cute is this? I love it so much. 44. This is a large though. That's mad cute. This is like $79, no, $50. It's not bad. But this right here, what? Not bad. This right here, this shit is cunt. That shit mad cute. Ooh. This shit $74, but that's worth $74. I'll tell you what. Tell you what, little boy.